Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Enable any developer or console features and pick a low-latency server so inputs register cleanly. Once done, lock your device to a consistent 60+ FPS and turn off background apps to reduce frame drops. Next, pick a weapon and attachments that favor mobility and aim stability. This lowers recoil while keeping sprint speed. Make sure your control layout prioritizes thumb placement for quick strafes. Doing that early saves time in tuning movement. You now perform the core speed X sequence. Chain slide cancel into jump cancel to keep momentum while avoiding slow animations. As you do that, time short ADS taps versus hipfire bursts to land shots without losing speed. Once comfortable, link those combos into map-specific strafes, cut through corridors, and use cover to reset momentum. Also, vary timing slightly to outmaneuver prediction. Repeat in training until transitions are smooth. That repetition builds muscle memory and prevents stutter when under pressure. Finish by refining and stabilizing. Record your runs, watch for slow frames, and tweak sensitivity or dead zone to match reflexes. Once done, swap attachments or perks that cost mobility for faster alternatives. Small changes can raise consistency. If things go wrong, like input lag or stutter, clear the app cache, lower graphics, and restart the game. Often that fixes responsiveness. Above all, keep sessions focused on short drills so you can reproduce the exact timing and build reliable speed X execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.